Hey guys, so we have been seeing our anime application on the Android. Let's build the same application for iOS and let's see how it's looking on our iOS. So the first and the foremost thing which we want to do is we want to go to iOS directory and run the command for install. So a shortcut is cd iOS and then for install. When I run this command, I should see that it says that installation for installation complete, and it says there are some 59 dependency. Now what I'll do is I'll come one directory up that is in the root of our project and I will paste this command. Now in your case you can just keep it till npx react native run iOS. It should work. In my case it will fail because I have bunch of devices right now, so there are some issues with other devices, hence it will fail. So I'll just copy paste and I'll specify the device, that the device is simulator, the simulator which you can see is running. So if I click on this, it will spawn up a react native server and we should see the build process is going to start now. So as we can see that build process has started, and let's give it a couple of minutes and we'll get back. So as we can see that our iOS app has built, it looks pretty decent, but there is one issue. That same issue is not present on the Android. Let me place it side by side and it will be much clearer why that issue is not present. So on Android, the status bar restricts all the app. All the app is placed just after the status bar, but that's not the case with iOS. So on iOS, you can actually put a text or above the notch, right? So that's how the operating systems are. There's nothing which we can do about it, right? So what we can do is, first option is that we can wrap our whole app in SafeAreaView, which is a special type of component provided by React Native. And when we do that, we see that everything vanishes. So what we can do is we can say flex1. So now by doing so, what we are saying that start my views from the safe area, and in case of Android the safe area is the same as just the normal area, but in the case of iOS the safe area is the place which is below the notch. So by doing so, now we are ensuring that okay, our views are gonna be placed just after the notch, which will ensure that our UI looks pretty decent. And the same is true for the anime detail screen, right? So this is how our application is looking on iOS as well, right? Now one more thing is that you see the transitions are different. On iOS it is from left to right and right to left. On Android it's like it fades in, right? So we can actually change that thing, and we can actually configure a lot of things which will be coming in the upcoming videos. So thank you guys.